I love making this simple, low-carb, healthy recipe. Let's get started. Scrambling the eggs, 5 eggs. Okay. And to the eggs, I'm going to add milk. Cup of milk. And I'm going to add Parmesan cheese. I'm going to save a little bit for the topping. Okay. And then for some nice zesty Italian flavor, I'm going to add the fresh oregano. Okay. Let's make some delicious flavoring. Garlic, onion. Smells so good, so savory. Now what I did was, I'm going to brown this a little bit, but not too much. I'm going to lower the heat a little. And what I did is, as you can see, I cut up a bunch of vegetables. Now you can use any vegetables that you have in your fridge. I love to use, and every week I make a different one. This one is mushroom. I've got broccoli, red pepper, yellow, orange pepper, and there's some cauliflower in here. Okay, and this is going to go in here. What we want to do is we just want to soften it up a little bit. As that cooks, I'm going to add a little bit more. You just want to soften it up because we're going to wind up baking this for about an hour, 45 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. And I'm going to add some, besides the oregano, I like to put some basil. You know, the more herbs, the better. It just brings out such a zesty flavor. So I'm just softening this. And if you want this recipe, please comment recipe. I'm so happy to share it with you and give you access. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to spray the pan so nothing sticks. Okay, you can use avocado oil, you can use your olive oil, whatever you like best. Okay? I just browned it a little bit. I'm going to shut it off. And what I'm going to do is pour it in here, as you can see. Doesn't that look good? Then what we do is we just spread it out, just like that. Pour the mixture over it. Okay? And then we put the mozzarella on top, the shredded mozzarella. Here we are. That's it. And we're ready to go into the oven, 40 minutes. I'll see you then.